If double leverage really gave you double the returns, you could retire after just 10 good years. But instead, you get a math lesson in disappointment. On paper, leverage is just multiplying. $100 becomes $200 of exposure. 10% up equals 20% gain. It feels like cheating the system. But here's the trap. Leveraged ETFs don't multiply the long-term move. They multiply the daily move every single day. And that tiny detail changes everything. Imagine the market goes up 10% one day. Your double ETF, up 20%. Perfect. But the next day it goes down 10%. The ETF applies minus 20% to your new, bigger number. And suddenly you're down worse than someone who never touched leverage. Here's how it works. At the end of every day, the fund resets its exposure. It makes sure that tomorrow you're again exactly 2 times whatever the index does. That reset means compounding happens on already volatile numbers. Markets don't trend smoothly, they zigzag. With daily resets, every zig and every zag compounds separately. Over weeks or months, the ETF doesn't track 2 times the index. It tracks 2 times the path, and paths are messy. A flat index, the leveraged ETF still drifts down. That's called volatility decay. Look at a chart of a double S&P ETF. The normal S&P is down 1% year to date. You'd expect the leveraged ETF to be down 2%, but actually it's worse. This double ETF is nearly 6% down this year. So leverage doesn't scale your long-term returns. It scales your daily swings and then chains you to the path the market takes. A smooth path, you look like a genius. A choppy path, you look like an idiot. So yes, double leverage isn't double returns. It's a multiplier for volatility, and volatility does not like being magnified. In the end, the only thing that reliably doubles is your stress level.